Welcome back to the classroom point. Today we shall discuss what is the meaning of the standard enthalpy of formation. Definition is standard enthalpy of formation is a standard enthalpy change for the formation of 1 mole of the compound from its respective elements in their most stable states. So we have to remember thing that 1 mole of a compound only has to be formed. That compound also must be formed from its respective elements, and those elements also must be in their most stable states. So delta enthalpy of formation for the elements is always equals to 0. Only compounds may be positive or negative. So let us see among the given options which is the standard enthalpy of formation. Now if you see the first example, here 1 mole of H2, half mole of O2 reacted with each other to form the 1 mole of the H2O. H2O is in its standard state, that is liquid, and these two are elements. So the energy released in this case can be called as the standard enthalpy of formation. And second case is carbon in the form of graphite. Graphite is the most stable state of the carbon thermodynamically, and hydrogen always exists in the gaseous state, so it is also stable state. So carbon element, hydrogen also elements react with each other to form the methane, that to 1 mole of the methane in its standard state, that is gaseous state. So the energy released here also can be called the standard enthalpy of formation. And if you see the third compound, third reaction, here CaO, CO2 are in their standard states. 1 mole of CaCO3 is formed. But the CaCO3 1 mole is formed from the other compounds, not from the elements like earlier two cases. CaO is one compound, CO2 is another compound. So the enthalpy released, the energy released in this case cannot be called as standard enthalpy of formation, but can be called as simply enthalpy of reaction, standard enthalpy of reaction. And in this case, you can see here hydrogen, bromine, both are in their standard state, that two elements. So HBr is formed, but here 2 moles of HBr is formed. So the energy released in this case can be called as standard enthalpy of reaction. And to convert this one into the standard enthalpy of formation, just to divide this value with 2, because for 1 mole we have to calculate. So you will get approximately minus 36.4 kilojoules per mole. Standard enthalpy of reaction can be calculated by using the formula standard enthalpy of formation of the products minus standard enthalpy of the formation of the reactants. For more videos, please do watch my channel. Thank you.